Let's start with the adventurous letter A. A is for apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. They come in red, green, and yellow. A is for alligator. Alligators live in rivers and swamps and have big, strong teeth. Have you seen an alligator at the zoo? A is also for airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky and take people to faraway places. Have you ever been on an airplane? And A is for ant. Ants are very strong for their size. Great job, A! Now let's move on to the brave and bold letter B. B is for boat. They sail along the water. Have you ever been on a boat? B is for ball. Balls are so much fun to play with. B is also for banana. Bananas are yummy and full of energy. Monkeys love to eat them. B is for butterfly. Butterflies have beautiful wings and love to fly around flowers. And B is for bee. Bees love to make tasty honey. Wonderful, B. Now it's time to see what curious C has for us. C is for chocolate. Yummy, tasty. Who doesn't love some chocolate? C is for cupcake. Cupcakes are tasty treats with lots of frosting. What's your favorite kind of cupcake? C is for cat. Cats are curious animals that love to explore and play. Do you have a cat at home? And C is for car. Cars help us go from one place to another quickly. The dynamic letter D. D is for dog. Dogs are friendly animals that love to play and go for walks. Do you have a dog at home? D is also for duck. Ducks like to swim in ponds and make a quacking sound. And D is for dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago and were very big. Great job, D. Now let's explore the exciting letter E. E is for elephant. Elephants are large animals and have long trunks. E is also for egg. Eggs come from chickens and are used to make many yummy foods. Do you like eating eggs for breakfast? And E is for engine. Engines help cars, trains, and planes move. Wonderful, E. Now let's find out what fun letter F has for us. F is for fish. Fish live in water and come in many different colors. F is also for flower. Flowers are beautiful and come in many colors. Do you like picking flowers? And F is for fire truck. Fire trucks help firefighters put out fires and keep us safe. Have you ever seen a fire truck with its lights on? Great job, F. Generous letter G. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals and have long necks to reach high leaves. Have you seen a giraffe at the zoo? G is also for guitar. Guitars make beautiful music. And G is for grapes. Grapes are small, sweet fruits that can be green or purple. Great job, G. Now let's hop over to the helpful letter H. H is for house. A house is a place where we live and feel safe. Do you like your house? H is also for helicopter. Helicopters can fly up and down and even stay in one place in the sky. And H is for horse. Horses are strong animals that can run fast. Wonderful, H! Now let's see what interesting things the letter I has for us. I is for igloo. An igloo is a house made of ice that people build in very cold places. I is also for ice cream. Ice cream is a sweet, cold treat. Do you have a favorite ice cream flavor? And I is for insect. Insects are small animals like flies, bees, and ants.
Great job, I